Wales is governed. The Senedd has 96 members. These are elected by people all over Wales, with 6 members elected from each of the 16 constituencies. It is these members who get to choose who forms the next Welsh Government. Senedd members elect the First Minister. The First Minister then appoints Senedd members to become ministers in their government. It is the role of these ministers to propose new laws, plan policy, and put legislation and tax changes into effect. The remaining Senedd members have an important role to play in holding the Welsh Government to account. They also get to vote on legislation and on the Welsh Government's budget. Understanding these different roles is crucial if you want your voice heard. If you want to learn more about how you can use your voice effectively, take a look at the Bevan Foundation's website to sign up to one of our training courses.